spring and death the fall. By force decree the fate of all. But who has formed these lucent beings, which touching darkness fashion dreams? Who has painted evening dark and made the laws of nature stark? What mind can see the crimson rose, whose fragrance on soft breezes blow? A thoughtful mind would contemplate to learn the ways of one so great. He's standing there within our heart, the whole of whom we are a part. Oh, Master, only by your grace will I look upon his face, and then again be blessed to see his beauty and his majesty. He has painted